the Webb 26cc blow vac, absolutely amazing, with a maximum speed of 183 kilometers per hour blowing speed. This means that's going to blow away the most belligerent, the most wet, the most sticky leaves off of your patio, off of your lawn, off of all those areas where you don't want those leaves to be. But this isn't just a blower. With the simple addition of a tube on the side, you can convert this from a blower to a vacuum very, very easily. And it has a 12:1 mulching ratio. So what does that mean? That actually means that 12 bags of leaves will become 1 bag of leaves once it's gone through this machine. A 40-litre bag on there as well, so a really spacious bag, and a 2-year warranty on this machine.